welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotirolla and today I am going to do an unboxing of Colourpop. I had actually recorded this video earlier, but due to some voice and technical thing I couldn't come up with that whole video. I'm doing it again because it's a whole experience of me opening the Colourpop products which I had ordered a month back, and here I have. It's a huge box, like literally a huge. So I have this box from Colourpop and I had ordered a month back, almost 20 days, 25 days back, and I received recently around 3-4 days back, and I recorded the video, but the video couldn't make it. So let's do it all over again. I have like unboxed this whole things in visuals. Let me do it all over again. It is so exciting. I love Colourpop. I had ordered few products way back around 2.5 years back, post-COVID, pre-COVID things. So I really wanted to have it, and today is a day I had ordered some. So let's get started. I didn't order much stuff, but it looked like a lot. But there's a lot of pigments like the base super shock thing and all that. So in this I'm going to have some some base foundation and concealer, some brow product for the first time I order. I'm very interested in some of the products, and I didn't order any lip. I regret that I didn't select any lip products from Colourpop. Maybe in the next month or two I'll get some lip product from Colourpop. I love their lip glosses. They are having such amazing lip glosses. So let's get started. So the first product is this Pretty Fresh Colourpop Pressed Face Powder. This is how it looks. It comes with a very beautiful soft package. I am on medium 11. That's my shade number. And this comes with this compact. This is a compact, you can say, or face product, you can say. If you have like a traveling and your makeup get dull, this is the best product. I have used this product, so I am actually using certain products from a period of time, like from past 3 days. But yeah, I'm very bad in opening this one, so I have like almost opened from this end. And this is how it looks. This is such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful packaging. And look at this. It has the color. It comes with the, the plastic thing in between. And this is a full mirror. It is so amazing. This is my super go-to favorite product, which I am going to keep in my purse forever. The second product I can see is this beautiful highlighter. It's a beach party Barbie color. So Colourpop has a certain collaboration happening with a certain different brand. So this one is a Barbie collection. They have a crazy eyeshadow things and all that stuff. The Barbie collection, I really wanted to own some collection, but I was like, let me get a highlighter because I'm more into the highlighter girl. So this is a beach party super shock highlighter. This comes with a beautiful, I love how this is so huge, and okay, it's tricky for me to open. Okay, so it has a full-size mirror. I didn't peel this one out, and here is the product. The highlighter is so beautiful. This looks so nice. I love how this is like easier for carrying and those all things. The next product is Pretty Fresh Hydration Foundation. This is the foundation I have got from Colourpop. The shade number is 110W. I'm in the medium shade, and so I have used this product a bit, and this is how the packaging is. It's a very super compact size. It's not a huge, I think so. And so this is the Colourpop Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation, Pretty Fresh. That's the categories they have, Pretty Fresh, and then this one was there. It's a beautiful color for me. It's a perfect match. Like, it is difficult to match, but in this website, just look how conveniently you can actually find out your shade. Concealer. This is the concealer from Colourpop. I loved it, how beautiful the concealer is. Just let's open this one. Okay. The shade number is 100W for me. This is how it looks. And the applicator is so nice. It's so convenient to apply. and like you can like take a little dot and blend, and it is a thick concealer, like literally a good thick concealer. This is a party proof. This is a party proof eye primer. I had one eye primer, I think so, it's from Bobbi Brown, and this is the one which I recently saw in their website and I was so much into it, so this is the one which I got, and it's a good eye primer. It comes along with the applicator, so convenient to apply over the eyes, and like you can like, so nice it is. Like, I have got a Feather Effect Styling. This is a Feather Effect Styling Colourpop eye wax to make your eyebrows like feathery and those all things. So it's a tinted one. I wanted to have a tinted one. They have a 2 shade in this, I think so. And I really loved it, how it is. So it's a beautiful packaging. I hope you are able to see. I have used a bit so that I can talk about it. This is a wax bomb. Along with this, I got the brush. I'll show you the brush with it. So this is the brush. It comes with the angle and the spoolie, which is perfect for the eyebrows. Now there is a lot of pigments. Let's talk about the pigments first. So the first which I got individual is this. The rest comes in the different one. So this is the Fawn and Away. This is how it looks. The packaging is so beautiful. I think so this brand take care of every single thing in the detail. This is the 2 shades it comes with. So here are the 2 shades. This is the Ladybug. One is Mint for You. I am going to swatch this right away and show you how it looks. It's so shiny, it's so creamy, trust me. I didn't expect this, but Colourpop never do anything like that. This is the Ladybug. It's beautiful color. I love it. You can see how the shimmer is in this. Mint for You. This is a nice color shade. So now I am going to show you a Super Shock shadow set. This is how it will look. It's a lot of shades, so I'll be really quick to show you now because it's going to take forever for the video. It's a Royal GB, Little Crocky, Hot Toddy, Rose Garden. Quickly going to show you the product from the box itself. This is Twinkling. This one is Rip. This one is Pug Life. This one is Moonwalk. This one is Run On Set. This is Pressed Juice. This one is For Real. This one is Lay Mercy. This one is Tessel. This one is Babe. This one is Silver Lake. This one is About Bumblebee. Rooftop Cocktails. This one is So Crocky. So these were the pigments you just saw. I really loved it all. Let's start with the makeup now, guys. Now I am going to use this brow wax feather effect styling wax, which is so interesting. Take the spoolie side, put with the product in like so. It's a party proof eye primer. I'm just going to apply this product all over my eyelid. Just apply the base. I'm going to use Mint for You on my bottom and this Lady Bird on all over my eyelid. I love how subtle the glitter is happening on my eyelid. It's not too much, at the same time it's getting a bit white. So I'm taking the foundation now from this. the shade number 110W. I think so this will be enough for my face. Taking this concealer, I'm on shade 100 Warm. Just trying to apply in my inner corner. It blends so conveniently, and even the products are not moving. It's not spoiling my foundation, which is so good. Looks so good. I really loved it. To set this makeup look, I'm going to use this product. The shade is medium 11. Just going to take this and just add these guys in. Okay, I am going to use this highlighter on my cheek, nose, on top of my lip. Just taking this. It's beautiful, and this is so soft and creamy. I will show you here. It's a blinding kind of a highlighter. Highlighter looks so good, guys. Just digging in my inner corner. This product is really good. Now I'm going to take this L'Oreal Paris I Choose, applying on my lips now. The makeup turned out so amazing and nice. You can see how beautifully. If you guys really like unboxing and more of the makeup video, please do subscribe. And if you like a certain type of the video you want me to do it, please comment down below which are the products you want me to try before you want to buy. You can let me know. You can comment, DM me. I'm on there in Instagram. You can tweet me. I'm not a great actor, but I'll always go through your messages. And that's all I have today. Bye guys.